What if I told you that one simple AI implementation could save you 15 hours a week while actually increasing your sales by 23%? Most business owners I talk to feel completely overwhelmed by AI, and they know it's important, but they have no idea where to start. Well, I'm about to change that. For anyone who doesn't know me, I'm Mark, and I help make AI and automations practical and simple so you can grow your business. Let's get started. In the next few minutes, you're going to get 3 specific clues that will help you identify exactly where AI can transform your business, plus a real case study showing how one company went from drowning in customer service to automating 80% of their inquiries. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear action plan that you can use to implement this week, and no tech background is required. So stick around until the end because I'm going to give you the exact 3 questions that will reveal your biggest AI opportunities in just a few minutes. So let's start with a story that might sound familiar. I recently worked with a small home services company that, as I mentioned, was drowning in customer inquiries. They were spending 15 hours a week just answering the same thing. Questions about pricing, scheduling. Sound familiar? Well, here's what I've learned from working with dozens of small businesses. The companies getting real results from AI are not the ones with the biggest budgets or the most tech savvy teams. They're the ones that start small and focus on a specific pain point. Research backs this up. Look at this slide here. This is impressive. Businesses that strategically implement AI are seeing 25% reductions in operational costs and up to 50% time savings on routine tasks, 35% improvements in customer response times. Here's the key though. They didn't try to automate everything all at once. All of these companies start with one problem and then build from there. So how do you find that first problem? Here's what I call the 3 clues framework. Clue number 1, repetitive tasks with clear rules. If your team is doing the same thing over and over and over, like processing invoices, scheduling appointments, or even posting on social media, that's AI gold. These tasks follow predictable patterns. AI can learn those and execute flawlessly. Clue number 2, time-consuming things like data entry. Is your team spending hours moving information from one place to another, copy paste, form processing, updating a CRM? These are perfect candidates because AI doesn't get tired and doesn't make typos. And then clue number 3, frequent customer questions. If you're answering the same questions over and over and over repeatedly about product availability, about business hours, order status, AI can handle these instantly, freeing your team up to have the complex conversations that actually need a human touch. So I want you to pause this video. After this section, think about your business through these 3 clues. So let's get back to the story about that home services company. Their challenge, as I mentioned, spending 15 plus hours weekly, answering these questions, same inquiries, same thing, pricing, scheduling, availability. The owner was working evenings and weekends. He was just trying to keep up with these questions. So what did we do? Implemented a simple AI chatbot on their website and through text messaging. It's nothing fancy. Can answer FAQs, schedule appointments, provide price estimates. So after about 30 days, look at the numbers. 80% of customer inquiries handled automatically, 68% reduction in response time. And here's the kicker. As I mentioned, 23% increase in new bookings. Why? Well, customers could get answers immediately instead of waiting for business hours. And the owner told me, I finally have my evenings back. Customers are happier than ever. So now I want you to grab a piece of paper and work through these questions with your team. Question 1. What do we do over and over? Write down these tasks that feel like a broken record. The more predictable, the more repetitive, the better the AI candidate. So now number 2, again, where are these errors happening? Human errors often occur in data-heavy tasks. AI maintains consistency where we might slip up, like a transcription, taking notes, processing an order. And then number 3, what takes hours that shouldn't? Write down these tasks. Write them down manually, things like manually gathering reports, manually scheduling social media. Think big, think deep about all the things you do in all parts of the business. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't need to be a tech expert to implement these AI solutions. Many of them today are designed specifically for small businesses with limited technical resources. I mean, that's where we get most of the benefit. So what are some common applications? Well, once you've identified your opportunities, here's what you'll be looking at as far as solutions go for small businesses. Customer service. Yeah, 24/7 chatbots, like I mentioned, pretty common. Email response suggestions and workflows. Customer feedback analysis. This is often the easiest place to start. Then we have administrative tasks. Document processing, summarizing meetings, transcriptions, action items, even calendar management. Automating these can save hours and hours a week, every week. And then think about your marketing and sales. You got content creation assistance, lead scoring, prioritization, personalized email campaigns. AI can help you work smarter, not harder. The key is to pick just one area that matches your biggest pain point from those 3 questions we've covered. So you ready to take action? Here's your step-by-step plan. All right. Again, number 1, identify your first AI project. Make a list of 3 tasks in your business that match our criteria: repetitive, data heavy, frequent questions. Don't overthink it. Just pick the ones that would save you the most time and frustration. Step 2, start small and measure. Begin with a pilot project, just one. Set clear goals and metrics: time saved, error reduction, customer satisfaction, anything. Give it 30 days. And then step 3 is evaluate and expand. After those 30 days, assess your results, refine your approach before expanding to other areas. Remember that what it says at the bottom here on this slide. You don't need to be a tech expert to implement AI. Many of these solutions are specifically built for companies like you with limited technical resources. So here's your homework for the week. I want you to actually do this. Schedule a 30-minute team meeting to identify these tasks using those questions, and create a list of your top 3 opportunities. Research 2 to 3 tools that might address your specific needs, and then start simple. User-friendly options for every business size and budget exist. The businesses that benefit most from AI, again, I'll repeat it, start small and focus on specific problems. Then build momentum with quick wins. Here's my challenge to you. That one task from your list, that one solution this week, start small, measure the results, build from there. AI is not about replacing humans. It's about freeing us up to do the work that actually matters. You'll hear that over and over. That home services company I was talking about, the owner is now spending his time getting his weekends back, growing the business and working on it, not in it. If this was helpful, I'd love to hear about it. Let me know, send me a note. And if you want to learn a little bit more about how your business could specifically benefit, I'd love to chat. Reach out to me, info@layman.ai. Send me a message here in the comments on LinkedIn. But if there's anything that you might be thinking about, questions or tools, I'd love to help you out. Again, I'm Mark from Layman AI. We'll see you in the next one.